Hello everybody, this is John Diaz here, reporting live from Blue Knob Ski Resort. It's pretty cold out here today. They got a dusting of snow overnight, and it's definitely, I would say, a good day for skiing and snowboarding. It's also a bit windy up here, and as you can see, looks like they're making snow. You can see all the dust in the air. They're making snow, and you can see the ski lifts moving. If you look above there, you'll see the chairs moving in the air. Then you got the parking lot. You see the snow making machine. So that pile of snow in front of the snowmaker, they moved that with the snowcat, and then they graded all along the trail. You can see everybody here. Looks like a packed house. Definitely a good day to be skiing and snowboarding. I wouldn't say it's a packed house, but you know, it's still early, and there's definitely a lot of people there. I'm sure tomorrow there'll probably be more people, but definitely a prime condition out here for skiing and snowboarding in Blue Knob Ski Resort. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like if you enjoyed this, and have a good rest of your day.